या
पणजेन चल्लें कितें कशें पळयता तुमी?
See, what is happening to the smart city in Panjim, I myself don't know. आता इतके वर्ष झाले स्मार्ट सिटी, इमॅजिन पॅन्जिम, स्पॅनिश कंपनी कितें चल्लां पणजेन? Panjim has been deteriorated. You see the roads, you see the footpaths, you see the potholes. No lights are working. Huh? The mayor of the capital city of Panjim, Mr. Rohit Musarat, is a director on the smart city. Mr. Babus Munsarat, the MLA of Panjim, is a director on the smart city. What's happening? Last 10 years in the CCP, only resolutions have been passed. First resolution we passed, a blanket resolution was given to the smart city. हे करचे ते करचे रोड करचे ते करचे मागीर आनी कितें दिलें PWDक दिले आमी आतां जी सुडाक दिले आमी तेजे पयलीं GSRTCक दिले पूण कांय फकत रेजोल्युशन आतां इलेक्शन लागीं पावलें म्हणून सगळें रेजोल्युशन पणजेच्या लोकांनी आतां चिंतूंक जाय कितें तें रेजोल्युशन आर नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टँड वाय द कॅपिटल सिटी पीपल आर क्वायट विलेजींनी लोक उठले कितें बारीक जाले लोक रोखडे रस्त्यार येता हांगा कोणूच येना ते म्हणटा तुमीच करात म्हणटा ते
तूं कित्याक उगी रावलो
वी रिक्वायर द हेल्प फ्रॉम द पीपल माय हार्ट ब्लीड्स फॉर Panjim. I want to do something for Panjim. I want to change the face of Panjim. I need the support of people of Panjim. My media darling friends, I need your support too.
तुम्ही रस्तो फोडपाक अजूनही मान्यता दिता ती कशी अजून सुद्धा चालू रस्ते फोडप
कलेक्टरान हें दिल्लें आसा की टिल ऑक्टोबर नो डिगिंग
आता चालू आहा बस स्टँडार
चालू आहा बस स्टँडार ते कोण करता हांव कमिशनर हांव मेयर न्हू हे कमिशनर मेयरान पळोवंक जाय आनी टेक्नीक डिपार्टमेंटान पळोवंक जाय हिंगा रिलायन्स हाडटा फोडटा आनी कोण येता फोडटा
ते कावन्सिलर्स आसा ते मिटिंगेन आवाज कित्याक काडिना?
हांव तुका सांगता हांव आनी म्हजी बायल निवडून येवून नासले जाल्यार CCPची मिटींग 20 मिनटां भितर काबार जावपाची आतां मिस्टर उदय मडकेकर आमचे बारबर येयला म्हाका आतां आनी मातसो कितें फोर्स मेवला जाल्यार तुका सांगता 20 न्हू 15 मिनटांनी मिटींग काबार जावपाची हे लोकांनी पणजेच्या लोकांनी पळय 25 लोकांक पळय निवडून हाडल्या तेमी सदां चॅनलां पळोवंक जाय खंयचो तेमचो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव खंयचो तेमचो कावन्सिलर कितें उलयता ते आदले 2 दीस पयलीं तेमच्या MLA तेपाटी मिटींग येता सुरेन फुर्तार बॉम्ब मारल्यार तुमी फकत उठात म्हणून आनी तुमचे फकत तकली हालायत म्हणून म्हाका हें दिसता पणजेची सिटीन असले आमचे कॉर्पोरेटर निवडून येयले तर अशें कोता म्हणून
PWDचो प्रिन्सिपल चीफ इंजिनियर सांगता नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत रोड जावंक शक्यत ना
करेक्ट
टेक्निकली
ते जावंक शकना कित्याक ऑक्टोबर पासून पावस पडटलो आनी मागीर तेमचो तो प्लांट कॉमेस जावंक जाय हॉट मिक्स प्लांट त्या हॉट मिक्स प्लांटाक तेका मुखेल टेम्परेचर येवंक जाय तेमची पळय खडी हें ते कितें आसा तें वेट जाल्लें तें सुकूंक जाय तो सांगता सारकें
अशें आमी डिमांड रोड जायना म्हणून करप कशें कितलें योग्य रोड कशें दवरतले न्ही
BJP सरकार हे तोडला सरकार ऑलमोस्ट 35 MLA तेमचे कडेन आहा जायना म्हणजे लज न्हू तेमी सोडपाचें नाल्यार लोकांनी तेमकां धांडावपाचें
सद्याक कितें
काँग्रेसीन जे सद्याक चल्ल्या तेजेर तुमी कितें म्हणटा?
पळय I am a loyal congressman. I am an executive member of the Congress. I am 7-time sitting councillor. My wife Ruth Futar is also 5-time sitting councillor. I was 4-time mayor. But the Congress party leadership is not consulting me or any other senior Congress leaders. आमी sideline जालेले आहा हांव नको कित्याक ते why the leadership is sidelining our senior members including me. It's almost 10 months that executive new people are being admitted in the Congress party. They are mostly political tourists. They should have started admitting people 1.5 years, 2 years back. Ask them to work for the party. आणि असे जाल्ले आसा की एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन 3-3, 4-4 लिडरांक घेतलेले आहा भितर. तिकीट मेळटली एक लिडराक, उरलेले कितें करतले मागीर? Has the Congress party decided on all this? We want Congress to do well. It is our desire as congressmen that Congress party should form the government. We want that the BJP government should go. And it has to go. But for that, there is nothing coming from the Congress party. We had met Mr. P.C. Chidambaram, Mr. Gundu Rao, 2-3 times. We had explained to them everything what's happening in the Congress party in Goa and how the Congress party should be strengthened in Goa. But no, they were silent. Everything was on deaf ears. It is back to 0-1. Nothing is happening.
अशी ऐकून येता की काही लिडर्स टीएमसी आता किंवा TMC
Systematic efforts have been done by 1 or 2 Congress leadership to sideline people like us, senior people like us. And I don't know why.
लोकल लेवलचे का सेंट्रल लेवलचे?
Local level. Central level कोण वखता? म्हाका वखता आसतले आनी लुजीन फॉलर एका तेका वखत आसतले, बट सगळे वखना न्हू. बट इट इज द लोकल लिडरशिप हू शूड बी सिंग.
सर तुम्ही आताच कित्याक उठले? पयलीं कित्याक हे पयलींच्यानी रिजनाल्ड मागीर ते सगळे क्वेश्चन बोवाळ करताले, तुम्ही आताच कित्याक?
Because Reginald is an MLA. As I told you, that आम्ही आमचे बोब करता only in the executive meetings, in the PCC meetings. We are disciplined soldiers of the party. We can't go on just in the air and shout about the party.
Now you are not disciplined.
We are now also very disciplined.
Then how come you are coming out now?
How are you coming out with now? Because things have gone out of hand. That's why.
That's why.
You have to give some chance, no?
Chance to whom? The president who is
No,
doing this?
to the leadership.
Leadership is central.
Central as well as local.
So the local leadership is not performing, you mean to say?
Looks like, no?
Looks like no. You should tell us what is happening inside the party. We don't know.
See, whatever is happening in the party, we have told the central leadership.
आयकता तुमचे?
No.
आयकना आता कितें करपा तुम्ही? पळय तूं आतां चवथो मनीस आसतलो. पयलो आग्नेल येयलो, यतीश येयलो, मारियो येयलो, विजय येयलो, आतां तूंय तूं पांचवो. सो हे तुमी सगळे एकठांय जावन तुमी दिल्ली वचोन कित्याक सांगना?
बाबा दिल्लीन आमकां आपोवंक जाय न्हू.
आपयल्यारूच सांगतले तुमी तामसर इलेक्शन जावन वयतले.
सांगता हांव. दिल्ली पयलीं सदेर लुगारार आसा, कोण मेवता थिंगा? कोण ना थिंगा.
सो असल्यांनी काँग्रेसाची परिस्थिती कितें इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार?
ते तुमी विचारात म्हण
तेंकां हांव तुका विचारता.
फाल्यां गुंडूराव येतलो, पीसी चिदंबरम येतलो, तुवें सांग.
लिडर्स तुमी तुमचे लिडर्स ते आमचे न्हू, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी न्हू.
You have as a journalist, you have the full right. You are representing the people of Goa.
ते फकत
हांवें चिदंबरम विचारलेले हेजे सिजन तुमी सांगलेले, तो सांगता वी आर ऑल युनायटेड म्हणून. एकाच तरेन सोपयलो विशय.
Are you all united?
We are united. We are congressmen.
United for what?
पण तुमचे MLA वांगडा दिसना.
You all are united for what?
See, you tell me about MLA. Are
Then it
Baba.
becomes a
Have it. A sip. First sip.
सो तुम्ही ते
पूण पेटयतलो कोण गॅस काय म्हणटा? आमी पेटयतले? पेटोवपाची तुमी न्हू गॅस.
राव मरे.
आमी रावपाचे गॅस पेटयसर उदक उडून तावचे ना.
म्हाका एक सांगा, तुमी सांगितलें की कोणाक विश्वासाक घेवना, कोण येता तेका. आनी उदय वडटेकाराक घेतला तेन्ना विश्वासान घेतलो तुमकां सांगितलें. तुमकां
See, I have no objection of anybody coming in my party.
They have to work for 5 years.
They have
So you are on the same lines of those 4 people for.
Yes, they have to work. Everybody have to work.
Are you a part of any group?
No, I am not part of any group. I am a loyal Congress soldier.
Soldier, Congress?
Yes.
तू काय पद्धत त्यांनी विचारता?
Right.
तुझी हुंची काँग्रेस ती INC or TMC?
I am INC.
INC. कित्याक ह्या दिसांनी TMC येता. सो ते काँग्रेसूच.
See, I don't know what you're talking about TMC.
Trinamool Congress.
Yes. Nobody have met me.
I never asked. Did I ask you? You are speculating. तू पहिलाच उलोवन गेलो.
मागीर सांग.
हांवें तुका विचारूंक ना तू मेवला काय ना म्हणून. तू कित्याक
I thought so.
आपूत?
I thought like that.
Ah, like that. Okay.
TMC आहे बरं.
TMC येयल्या म्हणून गोंयांत जाणा तूं? there are
Paper वाचता.
okay paper वाचता. There are speculation that Louisine along with his leader so-called group, I don't know whether you are a part of that group or not because you are also press conference doing your panel, could join TMC. Speculations. Tu en paper वाचला पण हांणी वाचला. So how would you
I
clarify
don't-
on this?
I can't speak for Luzin.
No, for yourself.
I can speak for myself.
Yeah.
I am a loyal Congress soldier. What about it? We want to strengthen our party. We want to defeat the BJP in Goa. We want to install a Congress government in Goa.
तुका दिसता जातलो गव्हर्मेंट काँग्रेसाचो अशें करीत जाल्यार?
If the party leadership in Delhi, I'm not talking about change, don't put it in my mouth, is not this thing, then God save.
You feel the president should be changed?
कित्याक
I don't know. That
No,
is
सगळे everybody is pointing towards the leadership.
खुबशे तुमचे
But nobody is
फाटल्यान-
telling whether you all want to change, whether you all want to say anything. Why you all?
That is for the central leadership to get the feedback. They must have got the feedback when they came so many times. So many leaders met them. Correct, no?
Yeah.
So many leaders met them. So they must have told their feelings of what is happening.
आता तुम्ही तुमचे इतले काँग्रेसमॅन प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता ऑब्वियसली तुमचे प्रेसिडेंट तुमकां चेंज जाय दिसता
म्हाका दिसना.
कित्याक तुमचे तुम्ही
We want our president.
meeting जायना.
We want our president to work hard, sincerely,
He is not
not
working.
sideline us.
He is not working hard. He is
It's a
not
very-
sincere.
It's a very dangerous situation of sidelining senior Congress people.
That means JPCC president is sidelining senior Congress person. You meant to say like that?
Because whenever somebody comes, we are not consulted.
Like what? Can you give an example for what you have not been considered?
Not only we, myself, so many other leaders are complaining that new people are coming.
Which are the
They are
other
not
leaders?
Consulting.
Which are the other leaders who have complained?
There's so many you know about it.
सर आमचे पळय सगळे आमचेर घातले आनी तुमी उगी रावले आनी मदेंच तुमी बेबे काय वयर सरले हांव काय जाताले तुमी सांगूंक जाय न्हू सर आमकां
You know it, my friend.
ओके एक सांग म्हाका
तुम्ही किती स्टँड घेतला होता
कितें stand म्हणजे?
What is your stand?
I want to work for the Congress party. I want to.
सर तुमकां सायडलाईन करता न्ही
काँग्रेसची
तुम्ही
तिकीट
म्हणटा काम करूंक सोदता पण तुमकां सायडलाईन करता
आमकां सायडलायन करता पण तुका आपयला न्हू.
सर
लोकांचे गोंयचे लोकांक गमपाक की आमकां सायडलायन करता, AICC गमपाक आमकां सायडलायन करता
सो
म्हणून.
तू मागता गोंयच्या लोकां कडेन तुमकां सायडलायन करतले हेंकां सायडलायन तुमी करा म्हणून काँग्रेसाक
ना हांव तशें म्हणना.
मागीर कोणें कितें कर फायनली कितें जाय तुमकां आन्सर
वे आउट काडूंक जाय.
कसली बी तुमी सांगा न्हू
ते
आमकां
सगळे लिडरांनी बसून करूंक जाय.
आतां केन्ना बसतले ते टायम आहा तुमचे कडेन
ओके
बसतले.
आता तुम्ही म्हणता की खूप लिडर्स आसा जे म्हणटा की आमकां सायडलायन करता तो फायनल डिसिजन तुमचो असो आसतलो की जितले लिडर्स म्हणटा ते एकठांय येतले आनी हो इश्यू वयर हाय कमांडा कडेन व्हरतले की तुमी सिंगल इंडिविज्युअली
No, no,
सगळ्यांक
no. Army, when Mr. PC came to Goa, individually we met. I had led a group of 5 people.
हो ओके
Got a point? Including myself, Yatish Naik, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Dr. Pramod Sarvankar, Magir Mario Pinto,
आं
Vijay Pai,
विजय पळय
and 2 other.
आग्नेल
Agnel came with his group
Other group.
afterwards, that 100 people. So we have told that we want to strengthen the party. Congress has got a golden opportunity
who
to form
is
the government in Goa.
okay who is misusing this golden opportunity please tell us you don't know आम्ही जाणा म्हणून सांग नाका
A few local leaders,
सर नाव सांग न्हू.
leaderships,
नाव सांग
that name will come at the right time.
नेम केन्ना ते मागीर इलेक्शन लागीं
No,
पावलो
man, there's a lot of time I told you.
सर ओके आनी एक सांग पळय आतां उदय पणजेन येयला फाल्यां उदयाक टिकेट दिली एकल्याकूच टिकेट दिवंक शकता तूं उदयाक काम करतलो
कितें करता ना?
चालो तेंच करतलो करतलो
सपोर्टींग
पण हांव कितें म्हणटा, who is senior in the party?
आतां तेणी सुरेन म्हाका दिसता सुरेन
So
ओके टिकेट शुड बी
how, I'm not saying that I'm not saying that I should be given only. I'm saying you see who are the senior loyal Congress people who have been in thick and thin with the party.
सर
We
तुमकां
did not align with BJP during all this thing.
सुरेन
Never.
सुरेन बाब
We did not take any malai from BJP. We were with Congress. We voice our grievances.
पण एका टायमार तुम्ही बाबुशा बारबोल नाहले जो बीजेपी कडेन आहा तो आतां
कोण?
तुम्ही मेयर जावपा तेन्ना
But please, I want to clarify this thing.
हां
When Babush Monserrat supported me
हां
to be the mayor, how did he support? Not in love of Suren Furtado.
ते आमी-
Babush had 17 councillors.
हां
From 17, two split.
correct.
Tony Rodriguez and Caroline Paw, and they went to BJP. BJP were 12. So they 12, 13, 14 zale. Babush became 15. Ruth Furtado and Suren Furtado were the trump card.
ओके
You know that, no?
सो आतां कितें जातलें
So, out of compulsion, Mr. Babush Monserrat said, okay, you take over as the mayor. I took over, and I'm not boasting, but I think I've done something little better. What about the magazine of mayors of India was shown Suren Furtado, the CRS mayor of Goa.
No, but-
Corporate social responsibility, CSR.
was it because of Babu's support that you became mayor?
Yes. So, because otherwise the BJP was becoming. Correct, no? It is a number game. And I'm thankful that they supported me and I could show my abilities to do something for the city of Panjim. This 14th Finance Commission, that was during my tenure that I met the chairman of the 13th Finance Commission in Marriott Hotel.
काँग्रेसचो प्रेसिडेंट आसा पळय तेजे परफॉर्मन्स हाजेर तुमी सॅटिस्फाय आसा?
He has to work hard.
No.
He has to
Yes,
do
satisfied. Are you satisfied? Yes or no?
Further, I'm asking one question.
Yeah.
See, all these people, wherever I go to such meetings, I get feedback saying what, he is a junior dictating terms to seniors. Is it right?
I don't know. I don't know. That the people of Goa should know because.
See, regional parliament.
Listen. Let me come to you now.
Yeah.
In 2014, we had a Congress government.
Yeah.
Okay? We had a Congress government, UPA 2 in center.
Yeah.
The church, media, the minority committee people forcefully voted for BJP. Correct, no? And our Congress government fell.
But
Then in 2017, when Mr. Luzin Falero took over as the president of the Congress party, 17 MLAs got elected.
Then why he was removed from the Congress presidency?
He was because in Congress they are their enemies. We don't require outside enemies. In Congress only.
Who are those?
Don't make me chief minister. I want to become. Let it. Nobody want to sacrifice for the people of Goa.
Sir, you mean to say during this GPCC president current right now, Girish, it is failed to unite every MLA.
I don't know, but 13 MLAs have gone. Correct? Why they have gone? That you all should
Okay.
understand. No? I'm not saying anything.
Suren Babu, one more thing is that फाटल्या दिसांनी सार्दिनान सांगलें there are no meetings held, no accounts information is being given. Regional said the same thing. काल पयर विजयान सांगलें, विजय पयान सांगलें. You also say the same thing.
Yeah. I told you no, starting, no executive meetings were held for around 10 months. No PCC office bearers meeting were held. Where we can air our grievances to the president.
Did you inform this to Chidambaram?
Who we have informed him everything.
इतले इन्फॉर्म करू काय करना ते?
No, I don't know.
मात गोंयचें बरें चिंता पाड चिंता.
That you have to find out.
तूं म्हाका सांग वय वना ते.
I will tell you the right time.
मागीर लोक तुमचेर कित्याक विश्वास दवरतलो?
No. People trust us. That's why 7 times.
तुमकांच खबर ना तुमचेच लिडर तुमकां ट्रस्ट करना आमकां खंयचे ट्रस्ट करतले
No.
लोकांक खंयचे ट्रस्ट करतले
Simple.
Suren Babu, any harassment is going on in the Congress?
Senior congressmen have been sidelined. There are only two leaders in the Congress party taking all the decisions. Who should come, who should go, who should not come, who should not go. Nobody has been taking into confidence.
Okay.
Who
Can
are
you?
those?
Yeah. Who are those?
You know what?
Can I?
don't
If
know.
I take
Can
names,
you-
if I take names, will you say yes or no?
I remember who.
If I say
Tell me one thing. Out of the 5 MLAs,
Ah.
who are ruling there now?
म्हाका खबर ना MLA न्हू न्हू.
मागीर
If I take names, will you say yes or no?
आपण दोघीच जण आहे.
हय. सांग रे नाव सांग रे.
कमान.
बरें दिगंबर कामत.
He's
वय
the-
वो ना.
He's the leader of the opposition, no?
आवय म्हाका तुका खबर ना आमी MLA आमतले.
And PCC.
PCC गिरीश चोडणकर.
Looks like, no?
Looks like no. Yes or no?
Then
Looks like पळय सर तू इफ say not say.
it looks like, no?
सो तुमी सांगोंक जाय न्हू लोकांक कशें गमतले तुमी जेन्ना काँग्रेस लिडर सारके सांगना जाल्यार तुमी यू आर मेकिंग पीपल कन्फ्यूज विथ ऑल दीस
No, no,
थिंग्स
no. People are.
व्हाय शुड पीपल सपोर्ट यू
गोवा के लोग अजीब है. That was Jawaharlal Nehru said.
माझ्या तोंडात घातलं तू आणि तू वगैरे राहून बस.
आयज घेणार